Let's see how the structural engineer using Tekla structures can open the previously saved architectural model and create the structural model. We will insert the architectural model as a reference model. The reference model can be used to overlay the architectural model with the engineer's own model. The previously created and exported ArchiCAD layers are visible here and can be used perfectly to filter the IFC data to be used throughout the structural design. As you can see, Tekla structures opened the architectural model perfectly. Let's focus on the steel structures of the entrance atrium. Engineers check the properties of reference objects defined by the architect with the Inquire tool. Let's use the Select Objects in Components command to pick the elements of the reference model and query their properties. Here you can see that the selected steel element was created by ArchiCAD. It was classified as external use and as a load-bearing element. It's generic steel, and its profile name is IPE200. Let's continue and create the structural model based on the reference model. Tekla provides various tools to help this work. The referenced steel columns, beams, and bars can be converted to native Tekla structures elements with the help of the object converter. After selecting the steel elements in the reference model, we can run the IFC object converter from the macros dialog. The object converter generates new steel beams and columns according to the imported IFC profiles and the tool's available profile database. The newly created native Tekla steel elements are displayed in blue. Let's continue and select one of the steel columns. We'll modify the steel profile of this column. Let's also change the steel material of this column with the help of the material database. We will create a new concrete beam based on the geometry of the architectural reference model. Let's create a new concrete wall panel with the help of the reference model. However, this time, we will create a higher wall panel than modeled in the reference model. The structural engineer continues the work. Here you can see the completed structural model of the atrium entrance. Please note the level as well as the precision of the structural details. Even the reinforcement bars are visible in the reinforced concrete structures. Let's hide the architectural reference model for now to get a clear view of the structural design. We will select and export the structural model of the atrium in IFC format and send it back to the architect.